Hello YouTube world, it's Trek in Tweed. Welcome to the Couch to Ultra Marathon Runner YouTube series. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and dislike the videos, comment, go to my Strava, go to Instagram, join and connect. Welcome. We are into week 13. Season's greetings to everybody out there in YouTube world. So, it's been a busy week for me. The last few weeks have been quite busy, chopping and changing with work. I've also chopped and changed again with work this week. So 2 days I was on the bins. I've done about 16 miles on the bins. Thursday I'm on a production line. Friday I'm on a production line, and that seems to be where I'm going at for the next step, for the foreseeable future. So the first part of the week I failed miserably with running, other than being out on the streets getting amongst the bin work. On Saturday, let's see what we got up to. Check that video out now. Getting that stitch again. Left hand side. Too much messing around with the camera. Not enough breathing. I mean, it could be a minor stroke, heart attack. It's all down. Smile. More of a grimace. So I'm just doing a loop of the top of Breeding Hill just to make up the 9 miles. Probably going too fast around that section. I know I've got 3 miles of like downhill to come, so I've just done the 3 miles uphill. So take our time. We're well in the actual training plan. And I'm feeling fitter anyway, so. There's the stack. Fucking Velociraptor. Don't look that scary to me. It's a 6-foot turkey. Okay, Breeding Hill. Quite eventful with the stitch at the top where I'm overdoing it. Please let me know in the comments about your experiences with the stitch I mean, I thought I was having a heart attack, but it's happening quite often, and I'm doing techniques to help, although I don't think they are helping, or maybe I'm just not breathing right, talking too much to the camera, holding the camera up, or maybe my nutrition's not quite right as I'm running along, or whatever, like squash or water that I'm drinking. Please give me your advice in the comments below, or if you want to hit me up on Instagram or over to the Strava. Your knowledge and experience is appreciated for this journey that I'm on at the moment. So 9.5 miles, we ended up doing 10.37 miles per minute, which is good. 2 minutes per mile faster than the training plan, so we're on course. I do apologise that we are getting the similar scenery and routes that I'm running. Next week that is going to change, where I tackle the weekend run on the Cotswold Way. Stick around for that one next week, but you'll have to wait to see what happens for that. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm still on the Game of Thrones book. I've even got my old man Zed Rhodes onto the TV series, but I've still got a bit left myself. Santa baby, the wish list last week was a running vest, because the one I've got's a bit short, small, and not quite getting the right equipment in, yada yada yada. Please Santa, get me one of those. Also, Mr. Santa baby, would you get me some new walking boots? My old ones are rubbish. The North Face ones will be buried, or it will be like a Viking burial in the North Sea when I finally get to Robin Hood's Bay, if that ever happens. Check out that video when it does happen. I've got to get fitter and a lot fitter to get back on that case. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you for everybody. I've just hit 100 subscribers. You're all part of the founder members club, Trekking Tweed. I will get some more trekking videos to you as well. We're on this journey trying to become a ultra marathon runner, so let's get back to some trekking videos when we can, with all the lockdown, all the tier system that's going on, and time frames, new jobs and life in general. There's a violin playing there for me. But season's greetings to you all. I hope you're all well. Thank you for watching. Take care, have a great week, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Bye bye.